Hey, welcome to How To with Brew City Builds. I just finished making a floating shelf with leather straps for a room makeover, and I wanted to share just how easy it is to do it yourself. I will say that you do need a minimal amount of tools to make this from scratch like I did, but hopefully you have what you need, or maybe you can borrow some from a friend. Either way, you're for sure going to save some money if you take on this project, and it's going to look just as good as if you bought it. So let's get started.
How To with Brew City Builds.
Woo!
Measure and mark to the length you want your shelf. Cut that wood. Time to sand. Vacuum up all that dust. Did 2 coats of poly for a natural finish. Time to make the brackets. You'll need a 1-inch thick leather strap. 2 number 14. 2-inch Phillips brass flathead screws. 2 number 12 brass finishing washers. Use the scrap wood you cut as a template. Measure 3 times the length of the shelf to make thirds of the strap. This plank was 8 inches wide, so it was marked at 24 inches. Cut a clean line with a sharp blade and a square if you have. Match the length with the second strap and cut. Check to make sure the size is right. Use a 1/4-inch drill bit which is the same width as the screw. Fold 1 leather strap in half to line up the edges. Measure and mark 1.5 inches down from the cut edge. Drill your hole. Loosen up the hole a bit with your screw if necessary. Paint a dab of water on the 2 corners to help soften the leather. Clamp the leather to create a snug fit. Same goes for the other strap. Attach hardware and let the leather dry overnight. Ready to go. Install drywall anchors if you're not on a stud. Screw in the leather strap. Repeat the same process on the remaining strap. Insert the plank. Adjust. It's pre-measured to have 8 inches on either side. Adjust a little more. And voila!
Hopefully this little video made sense. If you have any questions or want to let me know what you think, definitely let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see where this shelf ended up in the room makeover, definitely click the link here or wherever it is. But yeah, hopefully this little how-to inspires you or helps you to make that shelf yourself. Thanks so much for watching and good luck with your project. Bye.